Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your 2016 F150's head unit can run Apple CarPlay. If not, choose a compatible aftermarket double DIN. Remove the trim now and locate the radio. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Make sure you have the correct Ford harness and CAN bus adapter to retain steering controls and backup camera. You'll also want a powered USB input and an OEM antenna adapter. These first steps prevent surprise. You'll remove the bezel and unbolt the factory radio, then slide it out carefully. As you wire, match the aftermarket harness to the Ford plug, make sure constant 12V, switch 12V, ground, and speaker leads are correct. Connect the CAN adapter to preserve steering controls and hook the antenna adapter to retain radio reception. Reconnect the backup camera and any USB hub. Once connected, seat the head unit, torque screws snugly, and reinstall the bezel so panels align cleanly. You reconnect the battery and power on the unit, following on screen setup to enable Apple CarPlay. Plug your iPhone into the designated USB port, allow permissions, and CarPlay should appear. Make sure CarPlay is enabled in Settings General on the phone. If CarPlay does not start, reboot the head unit and try a different MFI-certified Lightning cable. If still failing, inspect CAN and USB power pins for continuity. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the head unit firmware and reflash if persistent connectivity issues remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.